Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
MLA ke BJP ubadairu menteri ke Sarkar Jilla uba AL Hek habaya keren bat kinong thok khubor ha office rekam jong ha secretariat ulaong. Shibun ke jingya keren bat ke jingya tai ha kilat pathai khubor baka high court kala patha ya ke Sarkar bakam de ban ailat ban khai yu doyong bi ai. Niyo i hang ni hang tai ki trok ki bala syabat ki trok ki ba klem harengkat ber doyong. Kini ki ai jian ka por la benrap uba hang. Ula benrap ru da ka baong ke NGT ka high court ki le la ka jong ka kamram ha ka bakira kenturu i ki bor jong ka an ki bedai na ka sarkar pedeng bakin pahra ban khanglat ya ka jing khai be an yu doyong kawai pat ka mat ka bakhluj ba ha kini ki por ka de ka roster system ha bakli uba AL Hek halor ka ni ula ong nakaliang kinong elam ka seng BJP ki le kren halor ka ni Nikwa ban penlong kerki ya kini ka jingelang da ka bakhot lang ya baro kinong elam jong ka seng narilom garu badru narilom khasi bat jantia banya tai halor kini ka mat ka bakhluj bah kini ki por ba menta la ong uba hek.
See, the thing is like this. The other day, last week before leaving to Delhi, I had called a meeting here of the senior BJP leaders. We all discussed about this Rasta issue. Because we have to call the entire leaders of BJP who are from the Jaintia Hill district, from the Garo Hill district. We had called only few leaders who are stationed in Shillong. So now we had decided and told our president also, Mr. Anas Nouri yesterday. So we want this meeting to be called immediately with all the members, including from Garo Hills, from Jaintia Hills, and all the districts, to discuss this very sensitive issue which is prevailing at this present situation in the state of Meghalaya.
What about government level meeting?
The government level also, I have seen also in some newspaper, the Honorable Deputy CM, he said that already 3 times had written to High Court or they have told, I don't know, but that is only the press notes I have seen. So that is there, the government has been taking initiative on this issue.
When is the cabinet to discuss this?
The cabinet, we are expecting the Honorable CM will call any point, any time to discuss on this very sensitive issue.
What is your view on the topic?
My view is like this. If you ask me that everybody should get justice, the justice is like this if you ask me. If you see my statement also in the assembly which I have already mentioned about, why not now the job reservation policy be given priority to the vulnerable society of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo, and also some percentage for the established family Khasi, Jaintia and Garo. But priority, they should be reserved 50% for Khasi, Jaintia and Garo and the tribal of the vulnerable society. Let this also coming up now. Why only you think about just established people, the well-off people? Give chance to the poor of the poorest people also to at least have their own stand on their own feet, have their position, look after the family very well. So that is what is I wanted this to happen.
But
if you ask me,
yeah.
it's been discussed, this one seen in every statement, newspaper, in a very regular basis. The High Court, I have seen before also, he had told to the government they should not allow any illegal transportations of any illegal materials, particularly also with coal. What we have seen in every now and then, the truck has been seized, the truck has been, met an accident, some truck has been turned over here and there. This is happening. So NGT, the High Court, they are doing the job. Even they told the central forces to be deployed how to see that the illegal transportation thing will not be happen.